Hello guys, how are you all doing? I hope you're all doing fantastic in your lives. Today I'm sitting in front of you all with immense joy and gratitude. Finally guys, the moment has arrived and I've been waiting for this moment for several months. I cannot even express how I'm feeling at present. And you guys are the reason for this happiness, and you guys are the reason for the smile that I'm wearing today on my face. And I can proudly say that I have achieved my silver play button. No, it is not mine, it is yours. Yes, you are the one who supported me, and you are the one who just pushed me forward to achieve this silver play button from YouTube. Wait, let me just show you that silver play button. Ta-da! I don't know if it is visible to you or not clearly, but I'll show it to you later very clearly, guys. Okay, so this is the silver play button I received yesterday from YouTube, and today I'm making this video. As I hold this silver play button in my hands, I just reflect on my journey of my YouTube channel, from that nervous first video to the exhilaration of hitting 100k subscribers. It's been a roller coaster ride, and of course it was not smooth always. There were ups and downs. When I started my YouTube channel, I was a bit suspicious about my channel growth. I used to think, what if I do not get views on my videos? What if I do not get subscribers to my channel? What if I can't even reach 1k subscribers? This is how I used to think, and this is how I used to spend a lot of time on thinking about my YouTube channel. And you know what, guys? I do not even have any idea on creating a YouTube channel. I just watched each and everything from YouTube channel itself. That means just utilized whatever the videos that are available in this YouTube platform itself. I started watching random videos over how to create YouTube channel and how to make videos and how to upload them and how to maintain the channel very well. All these things I got to know on my own. Nobody told me you have to do like this and you have to do like that if you want to get success in YouTube. Nobody told me, and nobody suggested me even to create a YouTube channel. This is my thought. I had a vision and I had a dream of sharing my voice with this world. Actually, I was learning this language, but I thought of using this language somewhere, but I don't know what kind of a platform it should be. And that is when it hit me hard why I can't create a YouTube channel and why I can't share my knowledge there, because at least I have this much fluency in this language, but still there are so many learners who are struggling a lot to achieve this fluency. So what if I can help them? What if I upload and make videos and upload them in my YouTube channel? They will definitely get benefit out of them. So this is how I thought. And the moment I thought of making a YouTube channel, I just went to this YouTube platform and I started searching for the random videos over how to create YouTube channel on my own. So that is how it all started, and I started creating the channel. You do not know, guys, how I felt on the very first day when I uploaded my nervous first video. I do not even know how I recorded it in front of the camera, because I was just lack of confidence, and I do not even know what I was speaking in front of the camera. If you go back to the first video of mine, swear you would find a lot of mistakes, and you would definitely scold me, and you would definitely feel like beating me as well, because that is how my language was in those videos. Those are initial steps, right? And of course everybody has to undergo that. Not only me and not only you, everybody will make mistakes, but we have to sort out them. That is where our ability and capability of sorting out the mistake lies. And you don't know how I felt when I created a YouTube channel. I didn't even tell anyone. I didn't even let know anybody about my channel. Swear on you guys. And I know that whatever the path we have chosen is not that easy. Believe me, it is not that easy. It really tests our patience. It is exactly what happened to me as well. It tested my patience and I was about to give up, but I did not. I just hold on to it very tightly. And I just wanted to achieve it so badly that I did not even give up and I just keep moving forward because my vision is to get 100k subscribers. And there were some days when I thought of giving up because I was not getting any views and any likes as well. So I thought of what is the point of making videos and uploading and wasting my time like this. Instead of making videos, why can't I spend this time on studying and some like doing something good? This is how I used to think. But I'm so grateful and I'm so thankful to myself that I did not give up. That I did not give up. Only because of the decision, whatever I have taken that day is helped me to achieve this silver play button. If I would have quit or if I would have left this YouTube, I may had not achieved this much success. It's only because of the decision, and of course, guys, it's because of you as well. How can I forget you? And you know what? When my Amma got to know about this, she used to ask me or she used to grill me with questions. Shivani, are you getting views on your videos? Are you getting likes on your videos? I used to say, no, Amma, I'm not getting any views. I'm not getting any likes. Just to make sure she is not gonna know everything about my channel, because I just want to give a big surprise. I just want to make her feel so shocked and surprised when I'm gonna get this silver play button. And you know, all my plans shattered that moment when they asked me, Shivani, have you created YouTube channel? Like this. I got literally shocked and surprised. Instead, I just wanted to make them feel surprised, but they made me surprised and shocked. Oh my god, how did you guys get to know this? Because I didn't let anyone know. I was just trying my best to keep it as a secret from everybody. But I don't know what happened and how this came to you. Just wanted to tell you all one thing, that irrespective of the results, you just keep going on. Do not even think of giving up. Please, please, I'm begging you all. Because still there are some learners who are regretting for giving up. I have seen them. I have seen them in my life a lot of times. So I just do not want you all to be in that phase. Keep moving on, keep pushing yourself forward, and please try to roll up your sleeves every single day. You have to give your 100%. If it is not possible, try to give your best, and that is what you have to do. But please, guys, you do not fall behind and you do not even think of that you can't do it. If a girl like me can do it, why can't you guys can do it? It is possible for everybody, yaar. I'm not a person from a different planet. We are all same. I do not have any talent, exceptional talent or extra talent. I just learned it on my own. That is what I've been telling you all from all my videos, right? So you can also do it. You can also do it. Believe me, I strongly believe that you can also do it, and you can also achieve, and you can also come this far. I'm there with you and I will help you, holding your hand, definitely guide you through each and everything in this journey. You can just rely on me blindly and completely. So this is all about the journey, and I just wanted to say thank you one more time, each and every one who ever joining me in this video, and whoever subscribed to my channel, and whoever not subscribed to my channel as well. And you know, you are the reason why I'm improving, and you are the reason for my happiness today, as I mentioned before. Actually, if you guys would not have mentioned my mistakes, I had not been able to sort out my mistakes today. When I go to the first video, I can observe and I can notify how many mistakes I used to make. But now see, I'm not. If you are a Hindi medium background student and you don't know what to do and don't know where to start with, then this video is going to be for you guys. Yes, I can feel and I can understand what you guys are going through, because you might be thinking like it makes a lot of difference. Saying I'm talking 100% fluently in English without making any mistakes. Of course, I'm making a lot of mistakes. I'm accepting them from you because you guys are doing fantastic by just pointing out my mistakes. I'm really grateful and I'm profoundly thankful to each and everyone who ever pointing out my mistakes. I do not feel ashamed, I do not feel uncomfortable, or I do not feel gloomy when you guys just point out my mistakes. I feel so happy and I just think that no, they are pointing out my mistakes. Now I have to give my 200% to sort them out and to prove that I'm not gonna make those mistakes again, and I'm just gonna prove them. Yes, she is listening to us and she is giving her best, and I just want to be the best version of myself every single day, and you are the reason for this version, guys. You made me like this. All the credits and debits also goes to you all. I'm deeply indebted to you all, and I'm short of words, or I can say I'm at a loss for words now. Let's take a look at how my amma felt and reacted as soon as she saw this silver play button, which I got from YouTube, and of course with your help. The twist here is I didn't let my amma know about this award initially, and you know what? I was waiting for her to come home to just show this award that I got from YouTube. As soon as she came home, I decided to share this happy moment with her. You can see here that my amma was unwrapping the box and she's asking me what is inside. And I was telling her that I bought a sari for her. And to my surprise, she completely bought my lie. And we all know very well that whenever our ammas hear sari word, they do not stand on the ground. They feel like jumping out of the joy. But unfortunately, it was not a sari. Finally, she unwrapped our silver play button. At first, she could not understand what it was. But when I explained everything, she got to know about this award. She felt thrilled, ecstatic, overjoyed, and on top of the world. I was having a freaking moment this time. Finally, I want to tell you all one thing, that I'm profoundly grateful and for your support, for your love. You're not just a subscriber, you are my friend, family, motivator. So let's struggle together until we reach the next milestone.
One day later.
Since it is an auspicious Friday, I woke up early in the morning and took a bath and wear tidy clothes. And you know what? I love to draw kolam, or you can say rangoli, at my house entrance. As we all know that rangoli is a way of expressing creativity and artistry. And this is how I decorated the floor with flower petals and leaves. Finally, I got down to puja, and here I was lighting the incense sticks. I really love the fragrance of these incense sticks because it creates a sacred atmosphere around us. And this fragrance has a healing properties and enhance the spiritual experience around us. Arey yaar, when we are doing puja, how can we forget about Aarti? Aarti is a ritual of waving a light lamp in a clockwise direction before the pictures of all deities we worship. And we all believe that the bell invites the deity to accept worship and prayer during rituals. And finally, this is what I was doing, and I was just asking God, please God, give me the strength to achieve one more success in my life with all the support of my subscribers and love. Here is the final look of the puja. You can observe one thing here, that I placed our silver play button beside the pictures of gods. You might be all wondering who is that in the middle of this mandir. He is none other than my favorite Lord Ganesha. I'm fond of him and I love to share all things with him. And you know what? I felt so ecstatic when I saw my name which was carved on this award. You do not believe me if I say that I was dreaming about this silver play button for years and years before I started my YouTube channel. Now I could not believe that it finally happened because of you all. Yay! At last I was holding my dream button.